Hi guys. We are shooting the video with another move out cleaning to show you guys what we are doing in Maria Team Cleaning Company. What is the difference when you are hiring us and other companies or professionals? So here is, we got another moving cleaning. All the appliances are moved out to clean properly behind them and inside. You see here is the stuff on pre-soaked. All the cabinets, countertops, sinks, too. Everything already is soaked. Baseboards, corners, drought, everything will be cleaned, as well as behind the sofa. We are moving it easily out. Yeah, the team is already in the process. You can see this stuff. Detailed cleaning of the walls, doors, washroom, vacuuming, all the vents. I will show you the results a little bit later. Stay tuned on our channel. To be updated on the latest life hacks and cleanings features.